In this video, we are going to talk about the inline and internal CSS styling, and we will learn the benefits of using this method, and we will also talk about the disadvantages, and this leads to why we need external styling later. And let's take a look of these examples. In the previous example, we already create an index.html that use internal styling, and this is the internal styling that it do not have a separate CSS file. We just add the style inside this index.html file, and this only has one paragraph. We can comment this style, and now you can see the paragraph without any style. And now we duplicate a few times of this paragraph. And what is the inline styling is that we just add the style in the elements. So such as we add the style, the font size is 20 pixels, and the background color is aqua. Now you can see it just apply the styles in one paragraph only. So if we want each paragraph has the same style, we have to add this style on each paragraph, such as doing this. So if there are hundreds of paragraphs, then you have to add this style 100 times, and this is very time consuming. And you can imagine if this style has many CSS rules, and this will become very hard to maintain. So a better way to do this is to use the internal stylings that we have done before or in the previous project. So now we can delete this style and then uncomment this and change this to 20 pixels. Now you can see it applies all the styles to all the paragraphs. So when do we need to use the inline styling? So for example, if the second paragraph has a very important message, and then we just want to make this red in colors, so we just need to add the style to these specific paragraph elements, and then we add the style is equal to the color is red, and then the font weight is bold. So now you can see it just applied on this paragraph, and this is because only this paragraph is very important, so we want to highlight this with red colors and bold the text. So this is when we need to use the inline styling, and most of the case we use internal styling, or a better way to use external styling that we will talk about in the next lecture.